Hey guys, I'm back with another easy recipe. These are coconut macaroons. They are extremely easy to make and they'll take you back to your childhood. So first we need 250 grams of desiccated coconut. To this I'm adding 250 grams of condensed milk. These are eggless and made with only two main ingredients. The third one is vanilla essence, which is optional. If you have it you can add it. If you don't have it you can just skip it. Now I'm going to mix it until everything comes together. It will be a thick dough, not very loose, because we need the batter to hold its shape. Mix it well until everything comes together and then we are ready to shape it. You can preheat your oven at this stage and you can line your baking tray with parchment paper or silicone mats. You can use an ice cream scooper to scoop out small balls, but I prefer to use my hands. You simply have to pick up some of the mixture and drop it on the tray. It gives the coconut macaroons a really rustic look and I like that. You can use an ice cream scooper too, or you can shape them into balls also. These coconut macaroons are so crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. They'll definitely remind you of the coconut candies we used to eat in our childhood. This is an extremely easy recipe. All you need is equal ratios of coconut and condensed milk, and you can take them in any quantity you want. This recipe will give you around 50 coconut macaroons of this size. If you want less, you can reduce the recipe by half. Our coconut macaroons are ready for baking, and now I'm going to put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes until they are golden. Our macaroons are done. Let them sit on the baking tray for some time before you pick them up. You can eat them right away. They taste best when they're warm, slightly warm, not very hot. But I'm going to do something else. But first, let's see how our macaroons turned out. You can see the bottom is perfectly golden and the top is slightly golden, which we want. This is perfect. I'm going to break it apart. It's so chewy, it's so dense, it's amazing. It's a coconut lover's delight. But you can also take it to another level using some melted dark chocolate. I prefer using this because it tastes absolutely amazing. All you have to do is pick up the macaroons, dip them in the chocolate, remove all the excess chocolate and then place them back on the baking paper. The slightly bitter dark chocolate adds a great contrast to the sweet coconut macaroons. I'm going to drizzle some more chocolate on the top. It makes our macaroons look so pretty. But this is completely optional. You can simply eat your macaroons as it is. They are very tasty. The sugar is perfectly balanced. They are not too sweet. For the best taste, try to finish them within 2 to 3 days. They can stay longer, but it gets a little drier. So if you want that moist, dense and chewy coconut macaroon, make lesser quantities and finish them early. Since this recipe makes around 50 macaroons, I would suggest you use around 100 grams of both the ingredients and then make your macaroons. Since they are so easy to make, you can make them whenever you want. They take only half an hour, I guess that's the maximum time. So all my macaroons are covered in chocolate and ready to go into the fridge. Make sure that you dip the macaroons in chocolate once they are completely cool. They shouldn't be warm. I'll refrigerate them for 5 to 10 minutes until the chocolate is completely set, and then you can dig in. This is a really easy recipe with only two main ingredients. You must try it out. It's so simple to make and it's so delicious. Share this recipe with your friends so that they can make these easy macaroons and utilize their time in quarantine. If you try this recipe, tag us on Facebook and Instagram at Baked Goodness by Manvi. If you have any suggestions on other easy recipes, please let us know in the comment section. We would love to try them out. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you never miss any video.